Welcome to today's video. In this scenario, we encountered a problem where the focus was not returning to the initial button after traversing through items in a table widget. The challenge was to ensure proper navigation with the Tab key within the customized dialog. The solution involved overriding the Move Cursor function in the TableWidget class. By utilizing the cursor action enum, we could detect when the Tab or Shift plus Tab key combinations were pressed on the first or last cell of the table. This approach allowed us to emit signals for focusing on the previous or next child widgets accordingly, ensuring a smooth navigation experience for the user. To summarize, by implementing the Move Cursor function and handling focus events appropriately, we were able to achieve the desired behavior of returning focus to the initial button after navigating through the table widget. If you found the solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. And remember, sometimes the best way to navigate through challenges is to focus on the next step